Ko ngu ngā mihini, ko mahea ke ngā kapua I runga I a Mauao.
Oh, I think it's rocked the moana. You know, I think we've never had, well, since the rena, I guess, the extent of tragedy. This was the main area where it was slipping.
Ko te tupuna maunga tērā o McDonald, e rongo ana I te hotu o te manawa, he mamae e rangona ana hurinoa.
Even with that whole process of doing kariki on a daily basis, I think all sort of recognise the importance of us being there to support the kaupapa really and those, even the families, how our people comforted the families during that time they were keeping vigil and waiting for their loved ones to be recovered.
Ko tohua e te kaunihera o Tauranga I te tihi tangata ki te tiro I tēnei pare kura nui. Kia kaua e tuki ki te aronga, kia mārama pai, he aha te aha, whai muri I nei mate e ono.
I know the council is already rallying themselves how we move forward insofar as the Maunga is concerned.
Horapa ana te aroha mō ngā tāngata e ono kua riro ki te horo ki Mauao.
Most evenings last week it was reported on Australian news programs and it was reported as a tragedy. Most people in New South Wales at least have visited this area for holidays or on cruise trips.
You know, I probably may not have met anybody in this tragedy, but I still feel that because we're campers as well, and we acknowledge them for what they used to love doing, going out and camping.
Kind of a surreal feeling, like usually the vibes around here are quite, you know, everyone's at the beach having their good time and stuff, but since then it's been not quiet per se because everyone's kind of coming down here to see what's going on, looking at the vigils and stuff, so it has been quite, not morbid, I don't want to say morbid, but yeah, almost.
Tūtonu ko ngā ārai mata whānui I Mauao nei, e haere tonu ana ngā mahi ki te maunga, ko te haumarutanga te matua. Te kawa pāora, Aukaha.